In today's video, we'll discuss about select and where clause. Okay. So in my previous video, we have discussed about create command and insert, how we can insert data in the table and how we can create table. In the today's video, mainly we're going to see how we can retrieve or how we can get the data which are there in the table, or how we can see the data that are there in the table using select clause. So first what you have to do, select. What is the table name here? Product. Okay, select. Suppose now I want all the data of the table which are there inside the table product, all the data I need. So in that case, I will use select star from product. So here you can see I have given select star from product. This command means that it will show you all the records which are there in the table product. Here you can see I have given only the 3 records. So immediately after I press enter, it will show you all these 3 records. So that is the use of this star symbol. Okay, this is how you have to use select clause. Now suppose I want to see only the product name. Other details I don't want. I want to see only the product name. So in that case, the command will be select product name from product. See, so only the product name, that is cream, milk, butter, like this product name I have given. So only the product name I want. So what I have written, select product name from product. So I think it is clear only. So like this you can retrieve either all the records of the table, what I have done using the star, or you can see selected columns also or field also. So here you can see first one, it will show you all the records of the table name product. In the second one you can see select product name from product. That means only a particular record data it will show. Suppose along with this, now I want to see product name and quantity. Product name and quantity from the table product. So how you will write? Select product name, comma, then next what we want? Quantity from product. Now you see, now what happened? I want to see only the product name and the quantity. How much quantity are there? So what I have done, select product name, quantity from product. At last, in all these 3 statements, you can see product, it is written. From product means it is the table name. Okay, it is table name from where you want to retrieve the data. So in the first one, it is very clear, all the data you can see. Suppose the question comes like to show all the records from any table. This name could be any table. So at that time, you have to use star. Suppose particular field name has been given. So like here you can see, only I want to see only the product name. In that case, select whatever field name will be given in that question, product name from table name. Okay, product is nothing but table name. Next one, select. Only two fields I want. So product name and quantity. So select product name, quantity from product. So this is how you have to use the select command to see the content of the table. I think this much is clear about the select command. Okay. Now, next we are going to use the select command with where clause. Where clause means with the condition. Suppose this is whatever things are there, it is going to show. If I give star, it is going to show all the records. If I give product name, it will show all the product name from the table. If I give select product name quantity, it will show all the product name and quantity from the table. Now, suppose I want to see only those record or the record which are more than 20, quantity is more than 20, or record where quantity is equal to 50, or record where a record of cream and butter. I don't want to see any other record. I want to see only the record of the product name where the product name is cream. So like this condition may be there, or I want to see the all the product name where the price is 110. So like this also condition may be there. So in that case we will go for the where clause. Okay, where. So up to here I think this is clear and it is visible to you. So next we are going to use where clause. Okay, now how to use the where clause you see once. Now where clause. Okay, we are going to use the where clause now. That means condition. Where clause is nothing but condition. First simple one I will show. So suppose I want to see only those record where the product name is milk. That details only I want. So how I will write, you see. Select star from product. Product is nothing but your table name. Okay, where product name equal to cream. See, I want to see all the details of the product name cream. So how I have written select star. Star means all the details it will show from product. Product is nothing but your table name. Where clause I have used product name equal to cream. That means it will show you now all the records of product name where cream is there. Here only 3 records I have used because of space and all related issues. If I have 2-3 product name where cream is there, though it will show you 2-3 whatever names are there. But here it will show only the one record, that is 001. Okay, because I want to know only the details about that product cream. One thing we have to see here, this string I have used double quotes. Okay, why I have used double quotes? As this is a string or alphabet. If it is alphabet, so you have to use double quotes. So like this, suppose I want to see only the product details of product of 003. That means where 003 is there, that details I want. Remaining things I don't want. Only I want to see that product number. So how it will be? Select star from product where product norm equal to 003. Now you see, what I want or what we want, that we want to see only the details of product number 003. All the details we want to see, we don't want to see the other details, only the wherever the product number is 003, that details only I want. So as all details we want, so I have used star here, okay, star, this one. So select star from product. Product is nothing but your table name. It could be any name, but here the table name is product. That's what product is I have used. Where, what is the condition that I want to see only those records where product norm is 3. So the product number, that is norm, equal to 003. So it will show only this part. The remaining portion it will not show, it will show only this part. Select star from the product. Only this record will be shown to your monitor or output devices. Okay. Now, greater than, less than, everything we can use. Now I will show you here the all records we are seeing. In the both all record we are seeing. Now another scenario I am telling. Okay. Suppose I want to see only the product name, listen carefully, product name and product code or product number of a product whose quantity is more than 30 or more than 20. Listen very carefully. I want to see only the product norm and the product name of the record where quantity is more than 20. Now all records I don't want. I want only the product number, product name of a record or of the records where the quantity is more than 20. So now how I will write? Select product number I want to show. So product number, then product name I want to see. So product name, from which table? From product table. From product, and condition I will write here, okay, that much you have understood only. Where now quantity, condition, quantity is greater than 20. Now, as I have told you that I want to see only the product number and product name of a record where the quantity is more than 20. Okay. Now, how we have written here, you see, selector you have to use only product number I want to see, product name I want to see. From where? From the table product. From table product, what is the condition? The condition is where quantity is greater than 20. Now here you can see the quantity is greater than 20. So here quantity greater than 22 records are there. Okay, 002, 003, 2 records are there. So it will show the product number and product name. That is 002 milk, 003 butter. This one only will be shown to your monitor. Okay, the price will not show and quantity, this is the condition. So this is how actually you have to use the select statement and the where statement. Select statement along with the where clause you can use like this. So it could be anything. Okay, here I have used quantity. It could be anything, but this is how you have to use the things. Okay, hope this video has cleared the use of select and the where clause to you. So any confusion, anything is there in the comment also, you can let me know so that I can try to clear the confusion and all those things. So hope this much is clear to you.